Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make authentic Goan pork amsal. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 kilogram of pork, preferably ribs or boneless cuts prepared into 2-inch pieces. For the subtle spice, we'll use black peppercorns, cumin, cinnamon, and a touch of turmeric. The signature tang comes from kokum petals and tamarind pulp, giving it that distinct sourness. Don't forget fresh ginger, garlic, and onions to build that rich, aromatic foundation. This combination creates a truly unforgettable Goan dish. Now, let's create the heart of our amsal, the masala paste. Begin by grinding 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, a 1-inch piece of cinnamon, 1 inch of ginger, and 10 cloves of garlic into a smooth paste. Incorporate a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. This flavorful paste will then be used to marinate your pork. Ensure every piece is well coated, and let it rest for at least 30 minutes, or even better, overnight, to infuse deeply. With our pork marinated, it's time to cook this delicious curry. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a sturdy pot. Sauté 2 medium chopped onions until they're beautifully golden brown, which takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Next, add the marinated pork, searing it for about 10 minutes until it's lightly browned. Now, add 4 to 6 kokum petals and the strained tamarind water. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then cover and cook on low heat for approximately 50 to 60 minutes, or until the pork is very tender. As our amsal nears completion, let's perfect it. Check the pork for tenderness. It should be incredibly soft and falling off the bone. Taste the curry and adjust the salt, adding about half a teaspoon of sugar if you prefer a touch of sweetness to balance the tang. Allow it to simmer uncovered for another 10 to 15 minutes, letting the sauce reduce and thicken to a luscious consistency. This rich, tangy, and subtly spiced Goan pork amsal is best enjoyed hot, traditionally served with fluffy steamed rice or warm Goan pao. Enjoy your culinary masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.